10 steps every filmmaker should follow. Build up a powerful editing system that can handle easily movies like Interstellar. If you don't have the budget, sell your house. It's not a big deal. With your amazing talent, you will be making millions in few days. Of course, you have to buy the newest and most expensive camera out there, even if that means you have to buy a new one every month. Don't worry about the money, just sell your internal organs in the black market. You don't need them, you are an artist, you only need your imagination and your talent. You have to own every single lens. Never rent one, of course. If you don't understand what all those numbers are, and what are the differences, don't worry, you just need to add them in your bag. You will look more professional and cooler. You can't call yourself a proper filmmaker if you are not using a cutting-edge technology. Anything from drone, crane, robotic arm, alien spaceship, to custom camera strap, cables, and tripod screws, if you can name it, you have to own it. Who cares about sound? Just buy the cheapest Chinese microphone you can find on eBay, and use some random generic non-copyrighted music. Spend hours and hours listening to some amateur nerds who never made anything, mumbling about themselves, and claiming that they know how to make you a better filmmaker. Don't ever study any great directors or famous movies. Those guys back then didn't know about YouTube and Instagram, so you cannot trust them. Buy every transition pack out there, and every irrelevant merchandise they are trying to sell you. It's for your own good, to improve your skills. Nobody wants to make some extra bucks on you. Build a YouTube studio in your mom's basement like everyone. Add a neon sign in the background with some random quote you found on Google. Place all of your equipment behind you, to flex your gears. Wear your hat backwards and a hoodie like Peter McKinnon, and drink a cup of coffee, because that's the way a filmmaker should look. Now you are ready to film your masterpiece. Use all of your gear to film your keyboard. Then zoom in your footage 1000 times, and speak about color fringing, moire, and other gibberish stuff. Who needs a great story with talented actors? You have reached the grandmaster level and you are an influencer now. You must share the knowledge with all the wannabe filmmakers. If for some unexpected reason you didn't become the next Christopher Nolan, dive into other creators' channel, dislike the videos and spread negativity about them through every platform. After all, the society and mere mortals were not ready to appreciate your great art. You can also blame networking, capitalism, or the moon. Anything you can imagine, but never think that you were not talented enough. If after all those steps you didn't succeed, go back to Windows Movie Maker. Good luck with your career. Disclaimer notice. This video was made for fun, and was not intended to offend anyone. If you find yourself in those lines, then you might consider to start a new career.